dear friends. Today I am here to share my experience on how the divine words of our dear Father has inspired me. Where there is love, there is life. Our life is a journey between birth and death, and in this journey we come across many obstacles and evils. But the goal is to be divine. When we lead a divine life, we acquire knowledge. Learning is prayer, learning is meditation, and learning is worship. Mind and body coordination is very important in order to be divine. Without this mind and body coordination, we cannot be divine. In our journey of life, what remains forever is only the good we do. There are 4 yogas: Jnana Yoga, Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, and Raja Yoga. Karma Yoga deals with our actions. Jnana Yoga is the way that we develop right knowledge. Bhakti Yoga is the way that we develop devotion towards our learning. And Raja Yoga is the culmination of all these yogas. A person who attains all these yogas is called as a yogi. And when we acquire all these yogas, we attain the state of Aham Brahmasmi, that is, I am Brahman. In this process of learning, we need to develop our skills in LSRW: listening, reading, speaking, and writing. By developing these skills, we improve our communication skills. An important part of human life is to take up responsibilities. Taking up responsibilities means finding it yourself and doing it by yourself. I take up responsibilities and fulfill it, which helps me to discover my inner self and recognize the divinity present within me. Where there is love, there is joy. Without love, a life cannot exist. When we love others, we love God. When we do our work with love, we activate our superconscious mind. By activating superconscious mind, we reach the realms of success. By loving our work, we can achieve success in it. There are devas and asuras in this universe. At the same time, there are even good and bad people. Devas are the ones who lead a divine life, and asuras are the ones who live in evil and ignorant ways of life. In the same way, good people lead divine life and bad people live ignorant and evil ways of life. In order to attain right knowledge, one has to eliminate these evils and come across the obstacle of ignorance. Ignorance leads to self-destruction. Right knowledge is the only way that we can lead a divine life. And to acquire this right knowledge, we need to recognize the divinity within us. When we have love towards learning, we can easily achieve success. When we love our learning, then we do our dharma. When we fail to do so, we are another me. When we do our adharma, then we commit a sin. Do not be a sinner. Give up ignorant ways of life. At last, I would like to conclude my experience with this word. Wherever you are and whatever you are doing, your ultimate goal is to be divine. Thank you.